What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. For those of you who are new, don't forget to subscribe down below if you do enjoy today's video, guys. But basically today we will be doing the last run of 2020. We're gonna be hitting up the canyons. I'm taking the M5, obviously. Jesse's gonna take his 550. My sister's going in her Mustang, and then we have a few other friends going. We are going to meet them up over there. But yeah, today, guys, we're just gonna hit up the canyons. Hopefully something cool happens. We get some cool footage or something. And yeah, unfortunately I didn't get to wash the car because it was like super last minute. I need to hit up the gas station real quick, and then we're gonna meet up our friends in Azusa. So stay tuned, and I'll see you guys over there. All right, guys, we just got here. As you can see, met up with a few friends. Got my car right here. Still waiting on my sister. I think she went to go get food or something. And then we're gonna hit up the canyons. Hopefully we still get a little bit more sunlight because it's getting dark quick. But yeah, hopefully we get some cool action today. guys, excuse the wind. It's like it's super windy out here right now. There's literally like snow up here right now. About to slip. Alright, I'm back in the car, guys, because it's like super windy outside and it's so cold. It says 46 degrees, but I'm pretty sure it's colder, especially because there's wind. It makes it even worse. But all the cars right here, Mustangs over here. I'm chilling in the car because it's too cold. I'm not trying to be out there, but you can see my brother's over there. But yeah, there's actually snow here. I don't know if you guys can really see that too good. Yeah, but I'm not sure if we're gonna keep going up or we're just gonna head down because I don't know. What's up?
What's up, guys?
And my brother vlogging for once. Hey, don't hit my car!
Shit. Oh shit.
Woo!
Careful, guys.
Alright guys, so it's actually like 2 days later now. I was just editing the video right now of the cruise that we went on, the canyons. But yeah guys, I just want to end it real quick with Merry Christmas. I know I kind of missed Christmas time for videos. And Happy New Year's guys. I think it's like the 3rd today, but still, either way, Happy New Year's. I just want to say thank you to everybody for all the supports this past year, 2020. I want to say it was one of the best years of my life, honestly. I really did so much. I met some cool people. I got my dream car, you guys know that. I know we only have like 3,800 subscribers, but we started with nothing, so 3,800 is a lot for me. I'm super happy, super excited for what's to come in 2021. I don't want to set a certain goal as of right now yet, but I just want to say I'm gonna give it all I got. 2021 guys, we're gonna try to do as much as we can this year, put as much videos as we can, you know, get as much as we can out there in the car community, social media, all this stuff, and just enjoy life guys, because honestly at the end of the day that's what really matters. Just, you know, enjoy life. Your life can literally be taken at any second, and you honestly will never know it. So yeah, anyways guys, I just want to end it with thank you to everybody. I really appreciate all the support guys. You guys have been killing it recently. Yeah, I kind of took this time off because I didn't really have too many video ideas, and I've been spending a lot of time with the family. So yeah, thank you guys once again. Happy New Year's, Merry Christmas, and yeah, let's enjoy 2021 and let's put out some bangers, guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Peace out.